This video shows how to buy shares of Esquire Financial Holdings Inc. Esquire Financial is an insurance-focused financial company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ESQ, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ESQ to find Esquire Financial Holdings Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ result to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it is the correct listing. Make sure the ticker shows ESQ in NASDAQ to avoid selecting a different company. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.